Hey everyone, welcome back to HEARTLAND Home Design. You go to the destination for all things home decor and design. And today we are diving into the exciting world of Japanese Scandinavian design for living rooms, exploring the hottest trends that are set to take over in 2024. So, if you are looking to transform your living space into a harmonious blend of two stunning design styles, you are in the right place. Before we jump into the trends, let's quickly talk about what Japanese Scandinavian design is all about. It's the perfect marriage of the simplicity and functionality of Scandinavian design with the serenity and minimalism of Japanese aesthetics. The result, a tranquil yet stunning living space that promotes balance and harmony. The first trend we are seeing in this integration of natural elements inspired by Japanese gardens. Think bamboo accents, indoor plants, and earthy tones. Creating a connection with nature is at the core of Japanese design philosophy, and this trend brings that peaceful outdoor vibe right into your living room. Consider incorporating bamboo furniture pieces like a coffee table or accent chairs to infuse that Japanese touch. Don't forget power of indoor plants. They not only add a touch of greenery but also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Now, let's talk about Scandinavian inspired furniture. In 2024, we are seeing a shift towards clean lines and functional yet stylish pieces. Opt for sleek, modular furniture that maximize space while maintaining that airy and uncluttered Scandinavian feel. Scandinavian design is all about simplicity and practicality. So choose furniture with the multifunctional features. Uh, Think coffee tables with hidden storage of sofas that can be easily transformed into a guest bed. It's all about making the most of your space. Next up, let's talk about textures and textiles. In Japanese Scandinavian design, we are seeing a rise in the use of natural tactile materials, embrace cozy texture fabrics like wool and linen for your upholstery, and mix in some traditional Japanese textiles for that extra layer of sophistication. Consider adding throw pillow with intricate Japanese patterns or a beauty tapestry that tells a story. It's these small details that will truly elevate your living room and making it a conversation starter. Lighting plays a crucial role in any design, and in 2024, we are witnessing a fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian lighting aesthetics. Picture soft ambient lighting with sleek modern fixtures inspired by Scandinavian design, coupled with a warm zen-like glow reminiscent of traditional Japanese lanterns. Whether it's pendant light, floor lamps, or more sconces. And for harmonious blend of two style, it's about creating a serene atmosphere that is both functional and visually stunning. And there you have it, for the top Japanese Scandinavian design trends for living room in 2024. Remember, it's all about finding that perfect balance between the simplicity of Scandinavian design and the tranquility of Japanese aesthetics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which trend you are most excited to try in your living room. Until next time, happy decorating.